Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just recently picked up the Alex desk from Ikea and so far I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the video and what is on my desk. So this chair that I use as my office chair I got from Home Goods, and it is so cute and so comfortable. The material is like velvet, so it's very soft to sit on. Onto my actual laptop and monitor, I have the 15-inch MacBook Pro, and I love this computer. It's so nice. And then I just have my 4 folders, which are etc. for my random things, my YouTube, OSU, and photos. And then I know a lot of people have the big Mac actual desktop, but that is not in the budget for me right now. So I picked up this monitor and it works just the same. It's so convenient. I really just use this to edit my videos on. It's a lot bigger, so I can get really into the itty bitty details, which I love. It's really easy to see. And usually this is marble, but when I close my laptop, it just says what my laptop says, which is see good in all things. And last but not least, this is my laptop cover. I've been adding stickers onto this since my freshman year. I absolutely love them. Moving on to the drawers. In this drawer, it's kind of just like my storage for things. So I have an extra tripod. The one I'm using now is on my camera currently, but it's just black and white. And then this is my little travel case for my camera, and inside of it is just the battery charger for it. This up here is just the cover that came on my Happy Planner. I actually changed that, which I will show you in just a second. And then also some pages that I took out because I did grab one of the extension packs because I liked the layout of their day-to-day better. And then I also have this, which is the habit tracker, and I just have one of these in all of the months of my planner. And then over here I just have a couple Sharpies, and I use the Tombow markers for my planner, and so all the colors are in here, and I just keep the black one in my bag because I use that one the most. And this is my giant sticker book collection. I have about 1, 2, 7, and then I also have the adulting stickers, which I think are so funny. They're so good. I also have the sassy plans, which is very similar. Those are also really funny, but these like open up, and I think that's super fun. So you can write on the inside of these. So that is that drawer. And then moving on to this guy, this is a little more empty. I try to stay as organized as possible. This I just have my notes binder. This I just use for videos, like getting really specific about different videos that I want to do and what I want to talk about. I also have this little planner, which I just use as a general planner. So I have some goals and then some like generic post this video by this date. For example, my Toronto vlog. I kind of just use this as a very general planner where I just kind of scratch things down. And then this is the beauty of my life. This is the Happy Planner, and I went to Michael's and I got the hardcover for it. So this one, the rings don't move. It's very sturdy. And I just have the extension pack. As I said before, I just thought these were so cute, and you can go in and customize everything how you want. This is just an example. I am going to be doing a plan with me video. However, I'm waiting for all my classes to get posted before I do that. That way I'm able to go in and fill out everything that I need. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like to stay up to date with my life. I do everything from college to hauls to beauty to fashion, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.